हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में।
In this video, I will write essay on only one earth. We have only one earth, let's take care it like mother. There are many such events in life of a human being that happen only once, like his birth, his death. Similarly, the earth is also the only planet in the whole universe that nurtures us like a mother in its lap. Each living being on earth knows the importance of earth in our lives. Without earth, we cannot imagine our life. Have you ever thought that how we would walk if there is no earth? There will be no water to drink, there will not be animals living here, and of course, no cultivation, so no food to eat. This means to say that the life of human as well as other living being cannot be imagined without earth. In other words, we can say The earth gives us everything. We too should learn to give something. The sun gives us light. The air gives new life. To eradicate hunger, we all have agriculture on the earth. Today, human became very selfish. Today, Earth is a very beautiful place to live with the most favorable environmental condition for living beings. But we humans are making it vulnerable and are destroying our own homes with activities that are causing pollution at an increased rate. We celebrate World Environment Day on 5th June every year. In this year 2022, theme of World Environment Day is Only One Earth. This year 2022 is a historic milestone for the United Nations Environment Programme and global environmental community. It marks the 50th anniversary of the establishment of UNEP as an outcome of the Stockholm Conference. At last, we can say the aim of this theme is only that humans keep their only one earth safe forever. In the universe are billions of galaxies. In our galaxy are billions of planets. But there is only one Earth.
अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर।